Did you know this little container of goodness you have at home can have so many uses? Yes, I am talking about Vaseline. Let's see how many ways you can use Vaseline in your daily life. Apply some Vaseline on your lips and use a towel to gently exfoliate in circular motion. All the dead cells will come off, leaving your lips super soft. Use Vaseline as sleeping mask. Apply generous amount on your lips and go to sleep every night. Your lips won't be chapped. Apply your matte lipstick and top it off with some Vaseline for a hydrating glossy finish. Rub Vaseline on your hands to remove the roughness from your hands and achieve softer hands. Massage Vaseline on the cuticles of your fingers to protect them and make your nails look prettier. You can massage Vaseline on your nails to make them stronger and look shiny. Apply Vaseline on your feet to prevent roughness and make your heels soft. You can wear socks afterwards for more effective results. Apply Vaseline on your eyelashes before going to bed. This will help your lashes to grow and look bigger. Mix Vaseline with your highlighter and apply on your collarbones. You can also use Vaseline alone for a highlighting effect. You can use Vaseline to remove stubborn makeup from your eyes and lips. You can also use Vaseline to your face. Only if you have dry skin. It will lock the moisturizer and prevent your skin from cracking. Apply Vaseline on your plus points. Then spray your perfume. This will comes out as long-lasting scent.